Hello Forex traders, welcome to the weekly forecast for gold, USDZAR, AUDUSD, EURUSD, POUND USD, and USDCAD. In this video, this week, you're going to learn about next week's entries, next week's profit target, and where you should put your stop loss. But also, and more importantly, we will go through this week and kind of given the hint of what could happen next week. Sounds good? Awesome. And below, leave a comment of what you like, and I will be happy to respond to any questions. Okay? My name is Bilal. I'm a forex trader and a mentor and an economist. Yes, I do hold a master's degree in economics, and I do fairly believe myself that I have the capacity and the knowledge and the experience to talk about forex as of all the years I've been trading. Okay? Does that sound amazing? Awesome. Gold. And every month I give out a sell price, a buy price, and a target, and a target. Beginning of this month, it started off around the sell price. So I knew when that happened, we were going to sell off. And we sold off all the way to target. That is 600 pips. Or maybe 6,000, not sure. Anyways, doesn't matter. 600, I would say. And then we have a reversal down here, which engaged the buys, but for the previous week, but this week it didn't do what I wanted to do. It should be a higher high, higher low, all the way up here, and instead of being down here. So this week it looks a bit doomy, because I wanted this to go up. So profit target is 85, 1485 for this week, and you kind of wanted to go directly up from this price here now. If it continues lower, I'm not interested anymore. But also, and it could also do this, that would engage you as well. If it goes up here, comes back down, then you might be going to stop losses or break even if you entered early. But yeah, and then we have stop loss of 50 pips or more. I would do maybe 100 on this one. Because maybe do the entry is lower, but then you risk more of it actually falling, because you don't want to buy lows. So actually the plan B maybe should be let's see, this, and only buy if it goes above here. I think that's much better for you. And then, but if then you have 50 pips stop loss, then you're actually then you're okay, I guess, 100 maybe, yeah. Okay, then you're more like, okay, fine, this didn't work out. Fine, okay? So target is 1485, stop loss is, I would say 100, or don't engage until you have a new high, a higher low, then you can engage. For sellers, you just want to sell it either here or here, in this range between 1470 and 1475, with a 50 to 100 pip stop loss, hopefully above this above this week of 1478, and then your target is 1438. 1438. Okay, so now I have set you up for both buyers and sellers. I think that's amazing, and I think that this webinar does not contain any investment advice. This is only for educational purposes. So, and if you are new to Forex or just trading for fun, well, you should never invest money you cannot afford to lose. Trading is risky, and you can lose your whole account. And you should have low stop loss, little stop loss, so you don't lose too much of your account. Maybe less than 1% per trade. If you lose 10% a month, you are doing something very wrong with your risk. Okay? And also, I uploading the page, the key to becoming a successful forex trader today. One of them is patience, and I posted that today, so go on to check that out, because you might have something to learn. I don't know. For this week on ZAR, last week this was the sell price last week. Oops, that was not the one. I don't want to do that, mate. Go on. This was the sell price last week. So I anticipate maybe something like that this week as well. But this is now a new low, so that would be okay. Fine, I can do that. And then target down to 1451. That's all. That's all. 1450. Yeah, okay. Buyers, whatever. Your target is there, but meh. So that's your plan A, and that's your plan B. If it fails, it fails. When does it fail? It fails if it goes above 1482, 83 maybe. Yeah. Yeah. USD, USD. Well, USD. We are quite going lower. That was my childish behavior of I don't like this. Well, this is bearish. So what you do now? Well, if you didn't sell up here, and if you didn't sell up here, and if you didn't sell up here, then you have to wait for a new low, then you can sell it again. But we're coming up to a new month of December, so this is the last week, so maybe you shouldn't be so aggressive, but yeah, that's that. Because we're coming up to December, so target is 67.55. Okay. I would say that, yeah, wait for a new low. If it goes higher, then that's not so good for you, is it? Target for buyers is 68.37. We wanted to go above this high, come back down to around 68, and then going higher. We shall see what happens. So 50 pips stop loss here as well. So target entry here, 50 pips. Okay, well, fine, whatever. 50 pips down here. And then if you sell it somewhere, you're going to have 50 anyways. So, okay. So as a seller, yeah, wait for a new low, I would say. And then, yeah, I think that's that. We are around the buy price for the month. It was reacted once. If it comes back down twice to balance it, I really don't like that. Okay? But we were sold off where we were selling off in the beginning of the month. So that's also another money check. EURUSD. Okay, this is the last chance for buyers. This was to sell for the month. It was to buy for the month. We are just in a range of that. And then now it came back down on Friday. This was the role reversal. Do I like that? No, not really. But then I have the hope of next month. If this fails me, I have the hope of next month, which is in a week. When is the 1st of December? 1st of December is next Sunday. Whoop, 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 whoop. And then 2nd of December, we're going to look to buy it again. But now this is the last kiss. This is the last attempt. If it is actually a reversal, double bottom, higher low, then this is the last price to be buying. Target hit. Did I take profit? Oh, I didn't, but that's my own fault. And buyers, this is your buy price, technically, positively. And also, I kind of think the market wants to be up here though. That's the sell price for the month, around here, around 111. And I believe they will price it in. So I'm going to set a target of 111. And then what happens. There's also a shorter week this time, apparently. America is going to have Thanksgiving. So I don't know what happens to the rest of us, but anyways. So I'm looking to buy this. But of course, you're a seller, that's totally fair with me. I'm not going to shoot you or say you're a bad trader. That's just fine. We're just different. So selling price for the first attempt is 1045. And then you take it down to 109.77. Okay? I think that sounds like a plan. Sellers, you don't want to sell here, but you can sell if it breaks below. Here, it comes back up again, or just hope for it to come back up here. Well, you should never sell lows, so find yourself a better price, higher, up, and then sell it again. Amazing! Yeah, 50 pip stop loss, wherever you're going. 50 pip stop loss is like down here, so yeah. Pound USD, pound USD. We are still in kind of a range. Well, this is daunting, but nevertheless, it's the buy price for the week. And going up to 29.90. And if you are a seller, you will take it up to this area between 28, 29. Maybe 28.00 is the better one. 28.800, I mean, not 28.800. And going down to 27.500. That is basically the trade plans, and then you can do this, and then this, and then that's when you can buy it, right? A little reversal down here. But, so the challenge will be in this area here, between buyers and sellers, and we shall see who wins. Don't stand in front of the train. No, don't stand in front of the train if it actually moves, right? So, USDCAD, I sold here this week. Did not hit my target by 1 micro pip, which is just as annoying as the EURUSD trade that didn't take profit on, because I was too greedy. And fair enough. USDCAD went higher, okay, went lower, pulled up, and now the question is, does this hold? That is your last chance, kind of a thing, to sell down to 31.73. So if this doesn't hold, then I don't know if this will ever hold. I don't think it will hold. Then we're just going up to 33.800-ish area, since I'm now just barely touching that one. So I don't know, maybe 33.75 just to be short, just short of it. And yeah, I want this to come down, so I want this to hold, and I want this to go down to 31. 600, 700. So I don't know, maybe. If you've, yeah, and then of course 50 pips stop loss. And of course, if you like anything in this video, please comment below. I much appreciate it. And then I give away free. I go through people's trades plan, trading accounts, and see their mistakes. So if you want to do that, sign up in the link below. It says very clearly, if you want me to help with your trades, I will do that for free, and it's costing normally $300. So that's amazing, isn't it? And then I want you to be happy, have an awesome week, have 50 pip stop loss or more, risk less than 1%, be happy, be a positive contribution to the Forex market. And by the way, when you're wrong in the Forex market, the Forex market only tells you you're wrong now. It doesn't mean that you will be right or wrong in the future. It just means now. It doesn't say anything about you as a trader. It doesn't say anything about your stupidity. It just does not say anything about your smartness. It just says you're wrong or right this very moment. And now it's up to you to find a system that makes you right the most times. But choose a direction, choose a currency, and be happy. Until next time, I see you then.